Hi, it's Tanya Smith-Lorenz, and in today's Small But Mighty Marketing Show, I want to talk to you about features and benefits. So if you've ever written any marketing copy, chances are at some point that you've written some sort of bullet list. It's a great way to get a lot of information into quite a concise format. But if you're not careful, it can end up being really dull and boring. It can end up being just a laundry list of the surface facts about what you're trying to sell. Now, as consumers, we buy based on emotion, and then we normally justify that with logic, but the emotion has to come first. We have to feel an emotional connection to something most of the time when we're thinking about buying, and obviously this is done at a fairly unconscious level, but you need to incorporate emotion into your marketing copy to make it more compelling. And when you're writing features and benefits about the thing that you're selling, it can be quite a common mistake to end up focusing on just the features, which tend to be very logic-based, very on the surface. And you need to turn the features into benefits, because often that's where the emotional resonance lies for someone to feel more attracted and more compelled to buy the thing that you're selling. So if I give you a quick example, at the moment I'm just referring here to my worksheet because I've got a lot of information to share. I don't want to miss any out. So at the moment I am writing a sales page for a client who has a patented hair cutting system. And when I'm working through the features and benefits of that sales page, so features would be things like the fact that her clients get step-by-step tutorials. They get printable worksheets and checklists. They have assignments that they can hand in. And also there are a team of tutors in a forum who can help them look at their assignments, answer any questions that they have. So those obviously are fantastic. You know, if you're her target audience, that's great. You'd be interested in that. But there's no real emotional resonance with that list that I just gave you. So what you need to do to come up with more compelling benefits that reflect on those features is what I call the W test. And that is saying to yourself, so what? Why does this matter to me? So if we work through that with something. So from that list of features that I just gave you, one of the benefits would be that you get a repeatable, foolproof system of cutting hair. But then when you say, so what does that give me? You then start to get into things like it saves you time. It means that as a hairstylist, you're not having to worry about creating bad haircuts or haircuts that your clients don't like. But then even we can take that to the next level. So what? Why does that matter? What does it give me? As a hairstylist, what that then means is that you become more in demand. It means that you can put your prices up, and it means that you start to become more positioned as an expert in your niche. And again, you can go even a further level and say, so what? Why does that matter? What does that give me? And that gives you ultimately the freedom to choose the best clients to work with, and also freedom to choose how you run your business. You know, you can focus on things which are more important to you because you can cherry pick the best clients. You've got a reputation as an expert because you have this repeatable system that you can use. And ultimately that means that you get the freedom to run your business how you want. And that may mean that you get to spend more time with your family, or you get to travel more. And once you start to get into the benefits, the emotional benefits which hinge off the original features, you start to make your sales message much more compelling. We've gone from features being about tutorials and worksheets and, you know, matter-of-fact things like that, to real emotional benefits of what that actually gives you ultimately at the highest level. Is the freedom to be seen as an expert, to charge more, to get better clients, and ultimately that means you can run your business more how you want to, and you can get the get the benefits which mean the most to you, whether that's spending time with family and friends, or travelling, or working part-time, or becoming known as a guru in your space. Whatever the benefits are that emotionally resonate with you, you don't get to those without doing the W test based on the features. What does that give me? Why does that matter? And you keep going up and up each level to the ultimate emotional level which resonates best with your target audience. So I hope you found that useful. If you find yourself writing sales copy and you're scratching your head about features and benefits, that's just one small way that hopefully you will find useful to help you go from the surface features to the very deep emotional benefits which people get from what they when they buy from you, from whatever it is that you sell. So hopefully you found that useful. As ever, head over to morebusinessbuzz.com if you want more tips and useful information like this to help you write better marketing copy. See you next time. Bye bye.